Welcome you all. In this session, we will continue with the problems on increasing and decreasing functions, maxima and minima. The learning objective here is to apply the knowledge of local maxima and local minima in practical problems. After this session, reader will be able to apply the skills of local maxima and local minima in various practical problems. The prerequisites are plotting the graphs of continuous functions over an interval, concept of increasing and decreasing functions, determining the local maxima and local minima of a function in an interval. Consider the example. Show that the diameter of the right circular cylinder of a greatest curved surface which can be inscribed in a given cone is equals to the radius of the cone. Let us discuss the solution. Let OA equals to R be the radius of the base and alpha be the semi-vertical angle of the given cone. Inscribe a cylinder in it with the base radius OL is equals to x. Then the height of the cylinder is given by LP is equals to LA into cot alpha, which is equals to R minus x into cot alpha of x with respect to x is equals to minus 4 pi cot alpha, and that is less than 0. Therefore, S is maximum when x is equals to R by 2. Consider another example. A rectangular sheet of metal of length 6 meter and width 2 meter is given. 4 equal squares are removed from the corners. The sides of the sheet are now turned up to form an open rectangular box. Find approximately the height of the box such that the volume of the box is maximum. Solution. Let the side of each box squares cut off be x meter so that the height of the box is x meter and the sides of the boxes are 6 minus 2x and 2 minus 2x meter. Therefore, the volume of the box is V is equals to x into R minus 2x into 2 minus 2x, and that equals 4 into x cube minus 4x square plus 3x. Therefore, derivative of V with respect to x is equals to 4 into 3x square minus 8x plus 3. For V to be maximum or minimum, we must have the first order derivative of V with respect to x is equals to 0. That is, 3x square minus 8x plus 3 is equals to 0, which gives x is equals to 2.2 or 0.45 meter. The value x is equals to 2.2 meter is inadmissible, so no box is possible for this value. Also, second order derivative of V with respect to x is equals to 4 into 6x minus 8, which is negative for x is equals to 0.45. Hence, the volume of the box is maximum when its height is 45 cm. Consider another example. Show that the right circular cylinder of a given surface, including the ends, and the maximum volume is such that its height is equals to the diameter of the base. Solution. Let R be the radius of the base and H the height of the cylinder. Then its surface area is given by 2 pi RH plus 2 pi R square. Volume is given by pi R square H. Hence, V is a function of two variables R and H. To express V in terms of one variable, say R, we substitute the value of H from 1 into, then V is equals to pi R square into S minus 2 pi R square divided by 2 pi R, which is equals to SR by 2 minus pi R cube. Therefore, first order derivative of V with respect to R is equals to S by 2 minus 3 pi R square. For V to be maximum or minimum, we must have derivative of v with respect to r is equals to 0 and gives r is equals to square root of s by 6 pi. Also, second order derivative of v with respect to r is equals to minus 6 pi r, which is negative for r is equals to square root of s by 6 pi. Hence, v is maximum for r is equals to square root of s by 6 pi. That is, for 6 pi r square is equals to s is equals to 2 pi rh plus 2 pi r square, that is, for h is equals to 2r, which proves the required result. Here are the references.